Hi all. In this video, we are we are going to discuss about what is logging in Pega, logging concept. Okay, I'll not go deep into this concept, but I'll tell you the basics because we are going to use this now. Okay, in our practical, we are going to use this. That's why I'm trying to cover the basics only. Okay, what is logging in Pega? Logging in Pega refers to writing a message or event information to log files. There are different type of log files available in Pega. I'll show you. Okay, Pega rules.log means Pega log files, alert log files, security log files, Bix log files. So many log files are available. I'll show you all those things. Okay, so logging means simply we are creating a log files to store the log data. Why we need to store the log files data? If there any error occurs while running the application, if user reached you and asked you to troubleshoot, then you can go to log files and you can see the what is the error. So why he is getting the error, like that. Those kind of informations are stored in log files only. Okay, so Pega rules.log means Pega log files used for information storing or error storing, warning storing, and etc. Okay, so we will use this Pega rules only in our practical now. There are different log levels: info log, debug, warning, error, and these kind of things I'll discuss later. In first, we are going to execute our logging in our activity, so we'll use log message method to execute it. I'll show you all the things in practically, don't worry. In activity, we will use log message is a method to write the information into log files. Okay, see, now this is the activity we created to show the error. First we'll execute the case, then you will get to understand. If I give the correct id, the information is coming. CUST12 is the correct id, the information is coming. If I give the wrong id, what is going to happen? The wrong error message is coming here, but this error message needs to be stored in somewhere. Okay, every time you cannot going to open the tracer and check, right? How to trace it from the tracer, I'll tell you. Okay, simply you can open the tracer. I think I did not open, right? Yes, I'll open the tracer now. First I'll give correct id, so we'll go to the tracer and check. Everything looks good. Okay, so no error, everything is looking good. If I give the wrong id, what will happen, you know? First I'll go and give the wrong id. Okay, oh, it's loading. Actually, application becomes slow. Let it load. It will throw the error anyways. We will get error message. So that thing I want to show on the tracer. I'll clear it. See, the failure message came means our case executed. I'll clear the tracer. I don't know why it is taking time. Let me create new. Oh, it's loading. So let it load. I think this is loading. So where to see the log files? Log files place is go to configure. It is also not working. Okay, It's loading. I'll open it again. నీకోసం వేచుందే నా ప్రాణం. We create a case here. Okay, I'll give wrong ID now. Okay, let it be. I'll close it anyways. I'll trace it, search it. Aha, again it's loading. I don't know. See, the step status is fail. If we click on here, it will give the wrong message, like error message it will come. Once the execution is completed, then only we can see the message. Okay, now I am giving one wrong ID. So what is going to happen here? Okay, if I search, the same ID is coming as a error. So if we go to tracer, so what will happen? The step is execution is fail. If I click on the fail, unable to open the instance using the given inputs, the customer ID with the customer ID from the table. Okay, so it is unable to fetch the details. Okay, so this thing I need to log into log files. Okay, so where are the log files located? I'll tell you. Give me 1 second. So under configure, system, operation logs. Here the log files are located. Click on log files. We can see Pega logs, alert logs, Bix logs, as I told you earlier. So click on Pega logs. Here the log message should come, but nothing is available here. How to make the log message to write here, to available here? Pega will not write by default the Pega logs, but we need to make it as right here. Okay, so how to do that? I'll open the activity which we created for this error message and all. Let me close the tracer first. Because of this only, I think the process is slow. I'll close it first. That's too slow. Chrome is not responding. Okay. Okay, I have closed the tracer. Now we'll see. The log file should come here. So how to do that? I'll open the activity which we created. Under technical category, we have created our activity. This is the customer search activity we have created. If the OBJ open fails, then jump to this B1 step. What is B1 step? Page set messages, right? Okay, after that, if it is error, the message should log, right? So I'll create one step here. Before that, I need to define the parameter. I'll define the parameter here. Error message. So I'll property set. Property name param dot. It will come. We'll see. Okay, error message spelling is whatever the spelling. It's not a matter, but just for naming conventions. So here I will use one function. Okay, what is the function I'm going to use here is browse functions get worst. We'll check on it. Get worst message. Inside we need to use tools. Submit. Property set is done. After property set, I'm creating one more step, that is log message. Okay, here we'll use log message method. Log message is the method which is used to log our message. Here what the message needs to be logged here is the message which is there in param dot this error message. Okay, what this get worst message function will do, the errors which are coming on step execution will take into this property. Okay, now this is the log message. The message is nothing but this one. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, now we'll go and execute the case. As of now, nothing is there in the log files, but now after executing the case, so I'll give one ID here. Okay, very good. The ID is error. We'll see whether the log files are generated or not. Log files, Pega logs, refresh. Okay, I'll open it again. No worries. Okay, we did not write it. Sorry. Here we need to write info forced. We need to write forcefully and need to send to trace it. Okay, then only it will work. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to do that. Now I will open the log files. log files, Pega logs. Still okay. I'll execute the case again. See the message which we see earlier is coming here. Unable to open an instance using the given input from the data class. Okay, this is the message we are getting now with the customer ID. So if we want to write our own message, what we will do? So we can do one more thing. I'll show you that thing also. Go to activity. Here I will add one more step here. Okay, there is another way of, so what we call log message, open it. Here in message way, in the message box, we can write our own customized message. The customer ID plus what is the parameter we have defined for ID, customer ID. So ID. So I'll use param dot ID. Param dot ID plus is not available in our records. We can say in our records. Okay. So this message I want to print. I want to print in the, so not a print means I want to store in the log files. Okay. Simply I'll save it. Okay. I'll execute the case now. I'll give one wrong ID 345. Okay. Search it. Go to log files. Pega logs. Okay. 345 is not coming. So our default message will come. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. Oh, info forced. Again, I forgot. Yeah. Sorry. Info forced. Now it will come. Okay. Now it will come. I'll open configure, operation logs, log files, Pega logs. Now what we will do? We'll execute the case. Okay. 3, 4. Sorry. 4, 5. Okay. I'll give some error ID. Okay. I'll see whether it is coming or not. Refresh it. Go to log files. Open Pega logs. See, the customized message is also coming. Unable to open an instance using the given input, it is default message is coming, and the customized message, the customer ID CUST 45 is not available in our records. This is also storing in the log files. These are the two methods to write the log message in the log files. Okay, in next video I'll show you how to fetch the details by using multiple records. See, so what I mean here is we are using only customer ID. Okay, if what if I use customer name? There are multiple customers available with the same name, so I'll use different parameters to search the details. How to achieve that we will see in next video. Until then, bye bye, signing off. Rajesh Balaka. I'll attach the file. Okay, what is the file? This file I'll attach. This logging and types of logging and login levels. I'll attach here. Otherwise, I'll paste this in comment section. Okay. Okay then. Bye bye. See you.